it's fading a little far, and I don't see where my hyperpigmentation is I don't know, a lot smoother now, you know. See, that's it. When I'm with you, how can I? So I did the last examination Monday 16th December, and because I was in examination mode, y'all, I forget, I was not thinking about no Christmas, nothing. So now that I'm free, both physically, mentally, yeah, I can focus on Christmas. So I don't know if me can give you 9 days worth of vlogmas, but let's see. Let us see what can go on. So it is Tuesday and I'm heading to work now. I have some packages, some errands, like I don't know, it's either I go like after work, I just go and pick up, and then yeah, I might do that. So yeah guys, let me give you an update on this product, the Ordinary brand. It's a finish. So I got this from Amazon. I got this actually from TikTok shop, but it's the same price on TikTok shop and Amazon. Like, I don't see where the hype is about TikTok shop, and it take longer to come than when you order from Amazon, in my opinion. So I have been using the Ordinary skincare brand for about 2 weeks now, and I can tell you guys, it has worked. Now mind me, my wig will slide back. My purpose is to make it slide back because I want to do my skincare. So yeah, so I have been using it, and so far this side is fading a little. I'm going to see if I can find a picture of my hyperpigmentation before, so you could see the difference. But it's fading a little, and it has been 2 weeks since I'm using it, and it like it reached right here. So now what I don't like, they make the spout, this part too big. Since when you squeeze it, mighty God, a whole leaf come out, so you end up wasting it. So I don't know if them do it purposely. If you use enough, you can buy back again. But it has been working. I've seen my acne going down, because I normally do have some fine bumps. I normally have a lot of fine bumps on my face, and I notice my face is a lot smoother now. You know, still have some little acne scars, some blackhead marked in my face, but so far it is working. And I have just only been using, because I said, you know what, lie. So sometimes, depending on what's going on, I scrub with this blackhead scrubber. This alone help out with my face, but after a while my face get used to it, so it now work as fast. But when I double cleanse, I scrub with this, and then I use my Ordinary foam cleanser afterwards and cleanse. So yeah, but I'm not going to use this today because I used it yesterday, because I kind of do it like every other day. But I'm seeing where my face looks a lot more smoother. It's a lot more moisturized. It's not dry, because it comes with the salicylic acid serum, and it comes with their natural moisturizer. So it's everything in one. It's on Amazon. It is in my Amazon storefront. If you want to purchase from me, just know, so if you buy from me, you help me out, because I get commission from it. I don't know how to put the link in my bio, but the link is on my Instagram bio, and it's also on my TikTok bio. I'm gonna put it down here, and you guys should follow me on Instagram. TikTok, you can. I know what go January 19th, but yeah, follow me on Instagram. Subscribe to this channel if you are new. If you are new, I'm Empress Euphoria. I do lifestyle vlog, you know, a little bit of everything, beauty, self-care, cooking, just about everything. Alright, so as I was sharing with you guys that I am so excited about finishing school, I mean, school school has like just taken so much away, because you have to be focusing on studying, and so it's almost like you neglect yourself in some way. Trust me, I haven't gone out in much. I'm gonna do all the stuff for me normally would I do, so I want to transition back into, you know, doing more stuff for myself. And them stuff that build the mood, make me happier and all that stuff this. So me excited, bad. I'm so excited, guys. So I need to I want to set up my Christmas tree. I using about the same decoration that I would have had last year in it. So I'm going to get some, I want to get some flowers to kind of enhance the tree a little bit more. Watch out, Melash. Wispy whimsy look, because I know when they start to fall out they get scanty real quick, so hopefully this lasts until the New Year's. Got them done Saturday. Step is to apply the serum, the Cialis serum. Just want one drop here and one drop here, and my hands are wet. And then you rub it in. When it activates, guys, it's the foaming thing, is like it activates. Try to target the hyperpigmented area here. Right side. You just want to rub it in the skin, let the skin absorb it. Yeah, and rub it in and let it dry. It's all in, skin suck up everything. Easy. So next we're going to be using our moisturizer. Don't want a lot, like a dime size amount. Hold on. I use this eye cream, Brighten eye cream. So then late night studying, your eyes them under your eyes get dark. So I've been using this eye cream, and it reduces puffiness under the eye. You don't want too much, just a little. That's it. You can just feel like the skin is just absorbing everything, and it just feels so good. Like, I want to look like it soon drop off, you know. Oh my god. And this is ordinary moisturizer. I just want to rub that in. Rub that in on your skin. You guys seeing the difference with my skin right now? Like, oh my god, skin feels good. And I'm going to add, okay, we have to put with sunscreen. We live in a tropic area where it's hot, so we have to protect the skin. gorgeous. Damn, I just love the smell of this. And this is very lightweight, guys. I always do this. I always been showing you guys this in my routine, so you know this. The Hawaiian sunscreen, it's lightweight. It's like nothing on your face, not oily. You see, my face don't look greasy. Face just feel well moisturized. We are doing a get ready with me for work. But I'm going in the shower now. This is the match.